we published that UPDF track Overturns in Agago and northern Uganda. 24 soldiers reportedly injured, and Army awaits official report. So now we have a further detail. Ugandan People's Defense Forces UPDF track has reportedly overturned in Agago district, northern Uganda, leaving several soldiers injured in a road crash that has attracted public attention and raised questions about the circumstances surrounding the accident. The incident reportedly occurred on Sunday evening, Saturday evening, July 11, 2026, a military vehicle was transporting soldiers from Agago district to Gulu city. According to reports, the truck belongs to the Infantry Division, a training school located at Labudwong in Agago district. The soldiers were reportedly traveling to the 4th Infantry Division headquarters in Gulu city when the incident and the accident happened. Initial reports indicated that up to 24 soldiers sustained serious injuries after the military truck overturned along the route. However, details of the exact cause of the crash, the condition of the injured soldiers, and what caused the accident remain unclear at the time of reporting. So images circulating on social media appear to show a UPDF truck laying upside down beside the road, while other photographs reportedly showed injured soldiers receiving assistance. The images sparked widespread concern among residents and online, with many seeking confirmation about the number of casualties. Some social media claims suggested that there were casualties and that more than 20 soldiers were in critical condition. However, those claims had not been independently verified, and the official confirmation of deaths had not yet been released. At the time of the publication, UPDF not yet issued a formal statement explaining the circumstances of the accident. The Army had not yet provided details regarding the identities of the affected soldiers, number of casualties, or whether investigations into the crash had started. Military vehicle accidents in Uganda often attract significant attention due to the nature of troop movements and the importance of ensuring the safety of soldiers during official duties. Transporting large numbers of personnel over long distances requires strict safety measures, including proper vehicle maintenance, careful route learning, and adherence to road safety procedures. The reported accident makes as northern Uganda continues to see increased insecurity due to military activities at the border with Karamojong, and this is a very serious thing. Let's wait for the official communication from the UPDF to provide clarity on the situation and updates in the recovery of those injured. Authorities are expected to release more information once preliminary assessments are completed. Until then, reports about casualties and the cause of a crash remain subject to confirmation. The incident has renewed public discussion about road safety, especially for AV vehicles transporting security personnel across Uganda's highways and rural roads. Further updates are expected as the UPDF responds to the accident and provides official details about the condition of the affected soldiers.